Here we have the Nest outdoor camera, which is one of the best outdoor cameras I've ever used. It's definitely one of my favorites. But I'm curious about how it compares now that there have been newer outdoor cameras released. So I compared the Nest Outdoor to other products for the past few weeks, and I was surprised how well it still holds up after being out for so long. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you're interested in the Nest Outdoor, like how to set it up, how to use it, how it performs, and how it compares to competitors. Starting with what's inside the box, we find the Nest Outdoor Gen 2 camera, the magnetic mount, a wall mounting plate, wall anchors and screws, a power adapter, a charge cable, and a user manual. It uses the Google Home app, so to set it up, just download that for free and create an account. Then click Add and follow the instructions to pair the Nest Outdoor with Wi-Fi, and it will start to stream a live view to the connected phone. It operates by battery, or else it can be used with the wired option if that's preferred. To install it, just screw the wall mount into place, and attach the magnetic mount to it by turning it clockwise to lock it in place. Then the camera will snap in place, and it's easy to adjust the position to make sure it's covering the right area. There are tons of uses for the Nest Outdoor camera. It's designed to increase security by sending alerts to the connected phone whenever movement is detected and by providing live video views of the monitored area on the connected device. The Nest can even tell the difference between a person, animal, and vehicle. The Outdoor is compact and sturdy, so it can fit well in just about any place inside or outside. I really like the style. It's low-key and modern, and I find I really didn't notice it. The Nest Outdoor is weather-resistant, so there's no need to worry about rain or bad weather. With the Nest Outdoor camera setup, whether it's by the front door or the backyard, the camera will send an instant notification to the connected phone if there is any movement in the area. Then just open up the live view and see what's happening. I found it so great when I was on vacation to be able to check in once in a while and to be alerted when anything was happening. It has high-definition 1080p video quality. The view is really clear and shows all the details. And it also has night vision. It uses its infrared LEDs to make things clear even in the dark, so it can be relied on to work well 24/7. The Nest Outdoor has a built-in microphone and speaker that allows hearing and speaking to anyone in the camera view from the connected phone. So maybe it's needed to scare off an intruder or talk with someone at the front door. The sound quality is good, and it's super handy to be able to do that all remotely. And the Nest Outdoor works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa-enabled devices, meaning it can launch real-time video with a voice command. Just connect the Nest Outdoor to any of the compatible devices. Then a voice command like "show the basement" means the view would be shown on any of those connected devices. There are some other pretty cool features too. It has a 3-hour event video history to be able to go back and see what happened. And if there's ever a Wi-Fi outage, the Nest automatically records up to an hour of footage. Battery life for the Nest Outdoor can range depending on activity, temperature, and camera settings like video quality, length of video clips, and other settings. Typically, it stays charged for about 3 months. The level of charge shows in the live view, and it typically can be recharged in about 5 hours. The Google Home app is the place to control the camera and adjust all the features. I found it was simple and easy to use. Just open the app on your phone and it gives easy access to live view, two-way talk, and all the other settings right there. Nest offers the Nest Aware monthly subscription option to expand on the features and get things like more days of event video history or familiar face recognition. It's a pretty affordable monthly subscription for that extra layer of security, and it can cover all the Nest products in the home. The Nest Outdoor camera is an overall top-notch home security device. It's very easy to set up and use with the Google Home app. It sends alerts when movement is detected, and it allows two-way communication with anyone in the view of the camera. It has really clear HD video and uses LEDs for night vision. It's integrated with Google Assistant and Alexa for voice control on compatible devices. It has a 3-hour event video history, and it records automatically for up to an hour during a Wi-Fi outage. That's all for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.